Let's go.
Welcome you guys to another beautiful hair tutorial. I know you've seen a snippet of this hairstyle on my social platform, but the installation video, I bet you haven't seen. That's why I'm here today, you guys.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Floor shakes, feel the bass in your chest. No mistakes, putting skills to the test. Spotlight hits, yeah, you know it's my time. Every move I make is a perfect crime. We're the ones who set the rules in this game. Everybody in the building knows our name. Yeah, snap, snap your fingers, feel the static in the air. Watch us move like you just don't care. Yeah, the beat's about to fall, gonna make the whole world stop. Work that body, make it pop non-stop, till we make the whole room rock. Work that body, make it pop to the top. Yeah, we never gonna stop. Got that fire, got that glow in my soul. Losing all my inhibitions, lose control. From the window to the wall, hear the call. Standing 10 feet tall, watch 'em all fall. Do it once, then we bring it back again. This is how we win, yeah, this is how we win. All eyes on me, in the center of the place. Set the tempo, yeah, I'm winning the race. Feel the power, it's a brand new age. Time to turn another page. Work that body, make it pop non-stop, till we make the whole room rock. Work that body, make it pop to the top. Yeah, we never gonna stop. It's pop.
We never gonna stop.
Make it pop, make it pop, make it pop, make it pop. We run this.
At this point, I am done sectioning, so I'm going to start with the cornrow, like the braiding part of the hairstyle. So as you could have, rather as you've seen in the intro, you see that I did like the Fulani braid in front of the hairstyle before I went ahead and installed the extension on the back of the hair. That's exactly what I'm trying to achieve here. Though the process was not easy, I'm not gonna lie, but I enjoyed every bit of creating this hairstyle. So as you saw, I am done with one braid, and you also see that I braided the hair down to the ends, rather the tip of the hair. That's me trying to protect the ends so it doesn't break in between, while I um tuck it in to the braids for the back installation, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's basically how I continue with the cornrow until I was done with the front part. So, getting to the front part, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, it was really challenging. It was challenging, but I know I could do it because I've tried doing it before. Like I've attempted similar style before and I got it. I'm like, yeah, I got this. Which I did. So you guys are going to see to the end result soon. All right, you guys. So at this point, I am done with the cornrow part. This thing turned out really beautiful, beyond my expectation, if I am to be honest. I think another thing that played a role is the gel I used in braiding the hair. Okay, just in case you do not know, there is this red one. I think that's what it's called. It's on my showcase on the TikTok shop in case you're interested. So that's the one I used, and I used the black one, and it doesn't flake or that give white cast afterwards. Yeah, so that's what that is all about. So I've gone ahead to start to install the extension already. So this is the feather crocheted hair from wigit.co.uk. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is the fourth time I am reinstalling this hair. So I washed it before I started installation. I had to leave it to air dry overnight, and voila, baby. So that's what I'm up to right now. Yes, you guys. So I am finally done with installing the hair. So now I'm just going to try to style the hair to my preference, I would say. Oh, at this point, I felt like the back was not full enough. So I had to put the hair into two bun just to create space for um for the installation at the back. So by the time I was done, by the time I was satisfied with how the back looks, I went ahead to just moisturize the hair, style the hair, and show you guys what the hair looks like. I mean, the beauty of the hair. So yeah, that will be it, you guys. This is basically it for this installation video. If you like it, please do not hesitate to like the video, subscribe, and share, repost if you're on the TikTok, and just do all of those things to support this video to do well. Okay, so that gel you saw me use, that's basically the gel I use in braiding my hair that made it turn out looking really nice. So yeah, this is it, you guys. Like I mentioned earlier, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, stay beautiful and be blessed. Bye, y'all.